Hello guys! Welcome, and this is your CJ Diza again, and today meron na naman ulit tayong panibagong video because in this video we are witnessing the blood moon as of now. The eclipse will start at 5:58, so 2 minutes before 6 and 7:04 in the evening today na magsisimula na. Ayan, nakikita nyo nagre-reddish na yung moon. Ayan po, ito na po siya. So yan, ayan siya, oh, nakikita nyo. Ayan, oh, yung red na yan, nakikita nyo po. So yan, balikan ko muna kayo guys. So kakain muna kami ng hapunan.
Yan.
Okay. Sa ating pag-a-update ngayon, so katatapos ko lang pong kumain. So as of 7:24 PM. So 10 minutes bago yung ano yun, bawat oras daw ito may nakikita na ano. So ilalagay ko diyan yung ano every time na ano, bawat oras from 5:58 to until what time, ilalagay ko po diyan. So yan na, nakikita nyo reddish na siya yung blood moon. Ayan.
Kitang-kita.
Ayan na siya.
O bakit?
So guys, that ends our program for the day of witnessing the blood moon, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye and good night.